guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome to a new spring crafting series and giveaway.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need.
So hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new spring crafting series for 2025. I'm super excited to share with you all the projects that I have created, that I have prepared for spring. These are actually projects that I included on my digital magazine for the edition that was just released earlier this month, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of all the projects, and also this is going to be a giveaway. So make sure that you are subscribed, make sure that you leave a like, and make sure to leave a comment under each one of the videos to be part of the giveaway. For today's project, I have my Secret Fairy Garden mini album. So this mini album has 6 signature pages and it has a soft spine and binding. I was inspired by this book that I read that is called Emily Wilde's Encyclopedia of Fairies, and I wanted this book to be Emily Wilde's fairy journal, like the notes that she's taking as she's exploring these gardens and finding these fairies. I wanted this journal to feel just like that, journal slash mini album, and I just love how this turned out. So I am using a really old collection by Bo Bunny. I think it's called Secret Garden, but I just love the colors, and I also love this little leaf trim. I think this is really pretty and perfect for this project. I fuzzy cut around some of the fairies for the elements that were part of the collection, and then I just love the door to the fairy garden. So behind the door here I have put a layer of chipboard to give that a little bit of volume and just bring that up and just make it a little bit more 3D. But also the cover is very flat, as you can see, so it's very easy to take with you, again, if you want to do some documenting, if you want to put some pictures, so just overall take it with you. Very practical to do so as well. So let me just show you the back, and now let's get on the inside of this book. So I did decorate a little bit every page, but this book is basically ready for you to glue a picture down and to maybe do a little bit of journaling. So we have some of these pockets, places to do a little journaling. And so yeah, so very beautiful and easy to make. So these are some of the, again, ephemera parts of the paper collection, and each one of these pages is also a pocket page, so it does have an opening on the top, and I went ahead and ink all around to give it that, you know, more rustic vintagey look to each one of the pages. So on the next page, again, I am using some of these pages as part of this beautiful paper collection that look like some already note-taking. It look like, you know, some pictures from the garden of these little beautiful creatures there, and then again, place for a picture, little bit of a, you know, like a tuck spot right there. Then over here on this next page, again, I just used some of the elements from the collection to create some different tuck spots and pockets and make this look very organic. This is another one of these like little keys, again, from the collection. You can use the back to do some journaling or add some pictures. You can put more photo mats in there as well. Again, love playing with this door. So over here I made this little door open, so it's a really pretty place for a little secret journaling, and then maybe some pictures there. And again, all of these pages have an opening along the top. And again, so following with the same format, really easy to make. This just here a tag spot with a place for a picture and journal. Same here, picture. So I did kind of put some places, but of course you can always just add a full-size picture on the whole page. So the gusset in between the pages is a 1/4 inch, and again, all the measurements and everything, step-by-step pictures, tutorials will be on the digital magazine for these projects. So a beautiful butterfly over here, and even though this is the signed paper, you can also do some journaling on the side here. I just love I just love this page here with the plants on the side. You can journal, put a picture, so very, very simple. And again, here with the beautiful types of butterflies that you find on the secret garden, and place for a picture. And same on this other side. And again, you don't have to use that, you can just put a picture there. And then for this last page, I just went ahead and added a pocket, so we can add some more little photo mats or notes and things like this. So I love how this little book came out. I hope you guys like it. I love fairies, they're just so beautiful and so magical. Think that there are fairies hidden among us, and I sometimes I believe that. I still kind of believe in fairies, and I think that they do have a magical world somewhere, but I want to believe that it is real. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys are excited with this series, and I will see you tomorrow with a new project.
Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.